Hello my fellow weirdos. Today we're making an all-natural makeup remover. We're going to need a 6-ounce glass jar or a bottle. I'm using a jar. In it we're going to pour in 4 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of Witch Hazel, 8 drops of doTERRA Lavender essential oil, and 4 drops of Tea Tree essential oil. We're going to fill it the rest of the way with some distilled water, which is about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Stir it up and put the lid on. When you're ready to use, just dip a cotton pad into the mixture and gently rub it against your face to remove your makeup. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I make new videos every week and you don't want to miss out. I'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, keep being your awesomely weird selves. Bye!